Hey everyone, here are some of my favorite Config 2024 moments recorded in San Francisco.
I'm pretty confident that these technologies will allow us to go beyond what is reality and hopefully bring...
Well, you're at the design system stage. Duh. It's an absolute mess.
The design system can relate. The lack of a design system often leads to inefficient processes, inconsistency.
And it's because this is where our designers are.
My name is Kyler Hall, and I'm here to talk to you about adopting design system foundations at scale.
And you need that representation in the engineering teams as well.
It's just a lot of sweat. And design systems should never set a culture that stops or discourages this type of exploration.